What's happening? It's your boy Tim with Dynamic Paint and Dynamic Paint LLC. Shut up! I'm trying to do an intro. See, today we got a huge video for you guys today. I said today twice, but I'm pretty pumped. My boy just dropped off his Hellcat Durango at the shop. I'm sitting in a parking lot of a Office Depot right now. My hair is going crazy. We've been getting after it. We just had to get a little battery for the microphone, but I'm showing you guys matte finish today. We're doing wheel repairs. It's something light, something simple. We're gonna show you how to do a matte black wheel repair. No gloss. That's going to be a different video. Everybody's asking me, Tim, I want to do gloss. I want to do matte. I want to do this and that and that. Well, now we're going to show you how to do it. So throw away the rattle cans. If you're in Pep Boys, if you're in Advanced Auto, leave. This is the right way to do it. If you want to find that cheap way, shut up. If you want to find that cheap way to do it, go to a different video. This is the professional way. This is for your guys who are trying to get into body shops, custom paint work, or they are in body shops, they are in custom paint work, and they just don't know how to do the matte finish. We are doing matte finish today. Get ready, boys. We are at the shop. Let's go. Man, that thing is dirty. I've been telling him he needs to wash it. We're doing something light today. Like I said, just a wheel repair. Maybe later. I know we are gonna do some engine cover paint and stuff, custom stuff for him. We're in the shop. Let's see where the boys are at, man. There he is. There's the kid. This guy's the shit. The homie Esteban. Let's go. Let's go. Making a little docu-vid, man. Wheels off the car, beads broken, chores are done. Now it's time to get into the fun stuff. For those of you who don't know, breaking the bead, you need that machine that I was using outside. It presses the bead of the tire away from the rim, whatever the hell you want to call it. What that does is it makes it easier to slide some things back here so I can protect the wheel from getting painted on. And it also helps you get back here because if the lip of the tire is over top of the lip of the wheel, then you ain't gonna get scuff back there. It's not gonna stick. First place it's gonna peel from is right here around where the tire should be. What we gotta do first is we gotta get this bad boy cleaned off, and then we're gonna fix these sand scratches. I don't expect really anybody who's not at a shop or real serious about it to have a machine that breaks beads. I get that. This isn't for at home. This isn't at your mommy and daddy's house. We're doing it the right way. I've seen so many videos of people come in and take Rust-Oleum out of their cabinet under their sink and they want to do their wheels for $25. That's great. I'm sure it looks good for a week, a month. I'm not hating. If that's all you can do, I get it. But if you clicked on this video, you want to do it the right way, we're going to do it the right way. We're not cutting corners here. So back over to the wheel. We got a little curb rash here. Coming up here, we got a little curb action there and a little bit right there. Okay, now for the simple repairs like this, I'm probably just going to get in here with a small 3-inch DA. We got the Chicago parts, badass DA. Is that what it's called? It's called Chicago something. Anyway, this is the one I use. I think it's baller. Now, if the damage was more serious, you would go in with a 3-inch like roll-lock disc, something like this. But that would go in a die grinder. And I don't have my die grinder here because I don't need it right now. But we're just gonna go in with this. This thing is a workhorse. I don't think it's that bad. I don't wanna do more damage to the wheel than we have to. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of 320. This is 3M, abrasive, Velcro, 320 grit sandpaper, and we're gonna get to it. 320 should feather that out, no problem. Okay, I got a leak in my hose. Damage is only right here, right in that small spot. But if you only sand down this spot, you're gonna have little gouges in it. Pretty good, we got it feathered out. Like I said, the damage wasn't that bad, so it feathered out pretty quick. All right, next we got the box of 3M. This is the 3-inch discs. Oh my God, there they all go. Anyway, this is the box of Oh my God. What we're doing with the 600 now is we're gonna feather out those 320 scratch marks. If this was silver, yeah, I'd go from 600 and then I'd go 800 grit sandpaper and then to 1,000. But black covers these sand scratches. Silver does not. Silver barely covers 800. If you're lucky, we feathered everything out. Everything's good, the damage is gone. The rest, I do wanna scuff it. So I'm gonna take a gray Scotch-Brite, regular old gray Scotch-Brite. We're just gonna scuff the whole thing. You know, get all the creases, all the crevices behind the lip. Make sure it doesn't peel from there. Anywhere you don't get good scuff, it won't stick to it good. So if your wheels do ever chip, it'll be from those areas. Let's go on to the best part, my favorite part, the color match. What the hell? Oh, he sees us, he sees us. We got the Diamond, RM, BASF, talk to him, tell him. We're in the big boy stuff. This isn't Rust-Oleum. We're not at your local Home Depot searching for rattle cans to paint your wheels. What we're gonna start off with is a blue-black. You can't see it, but that says blue-black. Boom, perfect. Now, since it's got a little bit of metallic in it, not too much, but it's got a decent bit, we're gonna rock out with the BC 170 metallic. Talk to him. Yeah, now, since the wheel has like a blue tint, we're gonna take 407, Flatoa, what does that word say? We're gonna go in with maybe a gram, 5.4. Perfect. And we got our base coat. Now, the problem with this is it's matte. So to get that matte finish, you need to put a matte clear coat over top of it, which I will show how to do in a second. But right now we're just trying to match the color. Like I said, yeah, it's shiny and nothing else is shiny, so it's hard to tell. But if we have, ooh, that's not it. This is empty. Go in with a little bit of wax and grease remover. It's 900 RM and see what that looks like. Wow, that actually matches really good. Yeah, I'd say that color matches amazing. And that was first try. And normally that takes me about at least 6 or 7 tries, and we got it done in the first try. But we got UR50, universal, mid-temp. So we're gonna put it about 2 to 1. Normally I will, if I need to do a heavy blend on like a door or a blending a fender, a bumper, I'll put a little bit more reducer than normal. Same thing with a wheel. I'm blending the base coat on certain parts of the wheel, so I want it a little bit over reduced. If it's a little bit under reduced, it's gonna get clumpy and it's gonna get real blotchy. Go low pressure. The first coat is the most important coat. Light. It's got to be a light coat. Second one, we're going on a little heavier for sure, and we just want to feather it all out. Before it's going to come in a clear coat, and I have a specific matte clear coat that I'm going to mix up. Let's mix up the clear. What we got going for clear, a Glazerite urethane acrylic extra matte clear. This is the clear coat. We only need a little bit for it because we're only doing one wheel. This mixes 2 to 1. The matte comes from the clear. You need to have matte clear. If you just base it like that, yeah, it looks fine. You could probably get away with that, but there's nothing protecting the base coat. There's nothing over top of it. You need to clear coat over the base coat. If you don't have the special right matte clear coat, you probably ain't gonna find it at Home Depot, AutoZone, none of that. You probably gotta go to a paint shop, an actual like Finish Master, something like that. Shout out to Finish Master. You guys hook me up. You don't have to use Glazerite. There's plenty of different brands. PPG is probably your most expensive. You got Nason. Nason makes decent. Spies has a really good one. And then also shout out to Tamco. My boys over at Tamco, they have an awesome matte. I think it's tamcopaint.com. Pretty cheap, their prices are awesome, and they stand by their product. We just finished the second coat. You wanna wait about, I don't know, 5 minutes, 6 minutes in between coats. Fast hardener, 5 minutes is fine. It's still wet, so we're just gonna leave this overnight, and then we're gonna put it back on, and we're gonna clean his whip, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. It's day 2, get hyped. Day 2 of the Durango. We're gonna go head over to the shop right now. We're gonna see what it looks like. We're gonna see if that color match is good. We're gonna see if that matte is on point. The weather's pretty bad outside, but if the sun comes out a little bit, we should be in good shape. Get it in the sunlight, see what it looks like. You ready to go see the Durango? Let's go. These are looking ripe, dude. Let's go. All that curb rash gone. That color blended good too.
Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming.
All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something. I'm gonna do the outro right here next to my boy's Carrera GT. Maybe next video, possibly. I'll see what we post, but that's it for the video today. I hope you guys learned something about the matte. It's really all in the clear coat, which is what a lot of people don't get. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions, check me out on Instagram, _Dynamic Paint, and Dynamic Paint LLC on Facebook. So hit me up with that, follow. My boy Ethan, the SRT Durango, is gonna be linked in there too. So check him out and his Instagram. And shout out to you guys. Peace.